Here in this town of Fatima in Portugal, the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to three shepherd children on May 13, 1917. Francisco, aged 10, Jacinta, 9, and Lucia, 7. The lady appeared to them 6 times. The Chapel of the Apparitions is the heart of Fatima Shrine. It was built in 1919, 2 years after the request of Our Lady of Fatima, to mark the exact location where the three shepherd children saw the Blessed Virgin Mary. Unlike in Lourdes, France, where the spring is very popular, here in Fatima, the miraculous spring is lesser known because it was only found after the apparitions of Our Lady. Sister Lucia, the last of the three seers, died at the age of 97 on February 13, 2005. Prior to Mary's apparitions, the Angel of Peace appeared 1 year earlier to three children near their homes in Aljustrel village to prepare them for Mary's coming.